Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for Siera where we will register a schema on a ledger. So when you want to issue a credential to someone using AnonCreds, you have to register a schema in credential definition on the ledger. And within this tutorial, we'll just focus on the schema, and then in the next one, we can do the credential definition. So first, the subcommand is schema, and here we can see what we can do. So we have a create command and a list command. Within the list command, we can see here that we just get all the schema identifiers, which are registered on this agent. Since this is a community agent that we host for everyone to use, there might be some that are not related to your work. To create one, we can use the subcommand create, and this takes a name, a version, the attribute, and help, of course. So, for example, to create a schema, we can do a name, which would be my first schema. Then the version, we will do 1.0.0. And then for the attributes, we can supply as many as we want. So we can do name and age and last name and maybe status. So this will interact with the ledger now, and it registered this schema. So I think if we just go here, Siera schema list is there, and we can filter on ID here. And if we supply this, then here we can see the entire schema which is registered. So this is the identifier. Here we can see the attributes that we specified, the version, the sequence number, and the other version of schema. And that's how you register a schema.